Recently, I prepared an irrevocable trust for a client, and the trustee is going to be the adult child. So my client is the person that I prepared the trust for. That's the grantor, settlor, person that makes the trust maker. And the the adult child is going to be the trustee. So the trustee, the proposed trustee, but he's the actual trustee. This is the person that my client would like, had a series of insightful questions on the trust. So this individual had a copy of the trust and then asked questions about what happens if I want to resign, and what happens if a family member contests me being the trustee, and what happens if we need to exercise the supplemental needs trust provision in the trust. But these were exactly the type of questions that you might expect. But I had about, I don't know, say 12 questions that were asked to me. And I replied by email, and if necessary, we're going to have a follow-up telephone call. So I received the email inquiry, tried to set up a phone call. There was a request for a phone call, a response by email, tried to set up a phone call. The schedule didn't work out today. So I replied. I didn't apply to anything. I replied by email, and so far so good. I've received a satisfactory response from both parent and adult child. But if you are a client and you have questions, and the trustee has questions, and there's aspects of the trust that you don't understand, by all means ask me. Give me the opportunity to explain it to you. And you might even bring up a point, well, necessary to do your job, but you might bring up a point that causes me to think of something new or different. And that's exciting. Or come at it from a different angle, or have to explain it in a different way. So, love the give and take. If you need me, frankbrunolaw.com.